how to set up shipping address on Stockx. Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can set up a shipping address on Stockx. Now to set up a shipping address on Stockx is very simple and direct. Just ensure that you watch this video to the end. So what do we do first? The first thing you do is to ensure that you have an account with Stockx already, and then once you have an account with Stockx, just open your web browser or the mobile app and ensure you log in. Once you're logged in, you're brought to the home page, and then on this page you would see a variety of products that can be gotten. Now, I must inform you that for you to be able to get any product of your choice, you have to ensure that you have your shipping address set up already. So the next thing to do is move to the top right corner of the screen and then click on your profile icon. Once you click on your profile icon, the page would load. All right, just wait patiently while it loads and it takes you to your profiles page. Now, once you're on your profile page, you would see your personal information such as your name, your email address, your shoe size, um, username, and then you see the option edit here. And then to set up your shipping address, just click on the edit option next to shipping info. Now, once you click on edit option, you'll be taken to the page where you'll be asked to provide details about your shipping info. So you have to enter your first name, last name, country, address, then state, and their postal code as well as phone number. Once you entered all of these, click on save shipping, and then your shipping address will be saved automatically. Once it's saved, you can now go back and then get any of the products you want. So when you're now checking out your products, you can just click on the shipping address and everything will be set up. It's that simple. Okay, so this is how you can set up a shipping address on Stockx. Go ahead and try it today. Thanks for watching.